Hey there, as a coach consultant or a course creator, if you are constantly tired of chasing potential clients every day, then you are in a treat, because today we'll be talking about the different types of YouTube ads that you can actually leverage to reach more of your ideal clients to schedule a call with you or with your sales team. Cool? So let's buckle up. First up, we have got skippable in-stream ads. These are like your friend who always kind of interrupts your conversation. That's these kind of ads. These show up like in the starting, in the middle, and at the end of any of your YouTube videos. But hey, viewers can skip these ads for after 5 seconds, so make sure that these 5 seconds count. Next up, we have got non-skippable in-stream ads. These are like the stubborn siblings of the skippable in-stream ads. You know, they are 15 seconds or less, and viewers have to actually sit and grind and completely watch the video no matter what happens. So make sure that you use that time very wisely. And next comes the bumper ads. These are like very short and very crisp. These are like 6 seconds or less. They are like a shot of espresso for your marketing strategy. They're small but quite packs punch. So make sure that these are not kind of the first level ads that you go ahead with. You probably should go ahead with skippable in-stream ads. Finally, I've got discovery ads. These are like the introverts of the YouTube ads world. They are chilling out in the search results or up next section, probably for waiting for someone to click on them. Will it be you? Fortunately, you don't have a choice for this. All your YouTube ads will not be shown in the discovery ads. But hold on, it's not just about picking the right ad type. If you think choosing one of these would magically help you get 50 sales appointments booked, think again. It's like trying to catch a fish but with a guitar. It's not going to happen. There's more to it, like they are creative. You do not want your audience to experience that they are watching something like a paint dry, right? Make sure it's fun, exciting, and engaging. Don't forget about the landing page conversion. It's like inviting someone to your party. If it's not clear enough, they'll leave as fast as they came actually. So make it clear, precise, easy to understand. And how about that follow-up process? Don't be that awkward person who never texts back after their first date. Always follow up with the lead to nurture them, to show that you are a real deal. Let me tell you a quick story. We were working with a client, let's call him Bob, and Bob was running a lot of paid ads, especially on YouTube, and he was getting a lot of clicks from these ads. And the problem was, most of the people who clicked on the ad were not converting on the landing page. It's like Bob was throwing a big, huge party, but everyone was ending up in the neighbor's backyard. You know, we helped Bob to revamp his landing page and everything worked like a ringer. He was getting on sales appointments like crazy. So if you want to be the next Bob working with us, who has consistent sales calls booked on his calendar for his sales team or for himself, don't forget to schedule your YouTube ads game plan call with us. It's like getting your own backstage pass for your YouTube ad success story, you know? And hey, if you don't want to hang out with the Cool Kids Club, that's completely cool. You all have this video. Hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.